Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. My name is Peter Oluoch. I'm a stock market researcher and investor. I'm also a cryptocurrency researcher and investor. Currently, I'm in the village for the last 3 weeks, 21 days, just having a rest. Holidays, I'm on leave, annual leave from my workplace, and as I rest in the village, I'm doing cryptocurrency, I'm doing stock market, I'm doing synthetic indices, and I'm doing all this through derive. Well, Kenya stock market I buy through Genghis Capital, and synthetic indices I buy through derive, and cryptocurrency I also buy through derive. Today's topic is this: how to reduce the cost of living in Kenya. How to reduce the cost of living in Kenya. Currently, we have 3 days of maandamano. Kenyans are on strike. Kenyans are unhappy lot. They are complaining that the cost of living is so high. The price of unga, maize meal, is about 200 shillings, and it's so expensive for many people. So for the last 30 days, what I've decided to do is to train people for free and help them to make just $2 daily. Well, some people in my group make $5 daily. Some people make $10 daily. For me, I've always had this view that if you have multiple sources of income, then you are able to afford some of these things people complain about. You are able to afford unga, you are able to afford food, and you will not feel the high cost of living. For employees like myself, the best way for them to cushion them from the high cost of living mainly is through increase of salaries. Well, the teachers are complaining, they want more salaries. Doctors are complaining, they want more salaries. The MPs and governors and president, there has been, the president, the SRC, wanted to increase their salary by about 10%, 14% or so. Well, my view is that it is possible. You can increase their salaries. But as small people, me and you, adding our salary will not be very easy. So for me, the best way to cushion you against the high cost of living is have multiple sources of income. I make money through crypto. I make money through the stock market. I make money through the synthetic indices. I make money through Forex. Ladies and gentlemen, join me. I am teaching people for free. I am teaching people for free for the next 30 days. Join my classes. I will teach you about the stock market. I will teach you about cryptocurrency. I will teach you about synthetic indices. I will teach you about Bitcoin. I will help you make some $10 daily. My telephone number is 0720 969 361. Call me, send me a WhatsApp message. I repeat, my telephone number is 0720 969 361. I will help you make some money on the stock market. I will help you make some money in the Forex market. I will help you make some money in the cryptocurrency market. Otherwise, thank you so much. Bye-bye for now. God bless you. And please share this video with everyone. Share this video with your sisters. Share this video with your classmates. Share this video with your family. Share this video with your chama. Share this video with your schoolmates. Share this video with your church members. Share this video with everyone. If we can help everyone make $10 daily, then they will not feel the high cost of living. Otherwise, thank you. God bless you and have a good time.